Hello, today we are going to learn for Power Automate.
So today I'm going to show you how we can list folders and subfolders. So for example, here I have this folder videos. I have these videos and these folders that is called projects, PDFs, etc. So the main thing here is that I'm going to retrieve all these files, and then I'm going to then sort it. I'm going to put everything into an Excel file, and then I'm going to divide that data into worksheets, and each worksheet is going to have the year that with the dates that each of these were created or last modified. So let's see. So first I have this flow. First I have this run as a flow, and it's going to run this. So here I have this get files in folder, and what this is going to do is to retrieve all the files that it's in the folder videos, and it's going to store it into files. And as you can see here, I have it as it's folders. So it's going to retrieve alt. And then here I'm creating a list that is called years. This list is I'm creating it because I want to separate each file into years. So then I have this for each, and what this does is that it's setting a variable that is called last updated, and here I'm saving the file last modified year, and then I'm adding into a list that is called the list above here that is called years, and finally into that list is removing its duplicates, and then it's sorting the list. What this means is that if I have multiple files that the year of last modified is 2024, what it's going to happen to all of that list is that it's going to be removed, and there will only be one item with the 2024. And then we have this other subflow, and what this does is launches Excel with a new workbook, and then into a for each is looping. It's what this is doing is it sets a variable for the first row, and then it adds a worksheet with the year, with the current year. So for example, if the first year here is 2024, that's the name of the first worksheet. And then it's here is looping the files. So for example, here I have right to Excel worksheet. So what this is going to do is that it's going to write the full name of the file, and then it's going to put it in the first row, and then it's going to write the Excel worksheet, and it's going to write the last modified into the second column. And then what this is doing is that it's adding into the row number, so it doesn't write it the same row. And this, if what it does is comparing if the current file last modifier is equal to the current year. So for example, if we have the current file last modified year is 2025 and the year is 2024, it's not going to write it. So let's test it. It's going to take a little because I have a few items, well, a few files in the folder of videos. So let's see the results. So as we can see, we have two worksheets. The first one is 2024, and here we have all the files and the date that it was last modified. As we can see, here we have all the list of 2024, and here we have all the files of 2025.